Hey, what's up guys? My name is Maximilian and today I'm going to show you how in just a few seconds we can transfer the lighting, atmosphere and mood from reference images onto images generated in VizMaker straight from a SketchUp viewport. I have already uploaded my source images from SketchUp and then I created a photorealistic image for the first view, and for the second view then I have upscaled it. And for the mood change, I also uploaded some images that kinda reflect what I want to achieve, and I'm gonna use those to match the mood. And how to do this. And the only thing that we gotta do right now is to press left mouse button on our already upscaled image, and we have to grab the reference image with the mood that we want to achieve and insert it here to the second slot. And then we can just type this prompt, which is match the mood, lighting and atmosphere. And we can do this for all of those images right over in here, and it will take us a couple of seconds to generate it for all of them. And I will repeat exactly the same for the second image. And in just a couple of seconds, I already got my results. So let's compare A and compare B for the first result. And in here on the left, there is an image which was original input with already generated textures by VizMaker. And in here, we got a match mood with the second image. And we can see it if we would zoom in right over in here that we got a kinda exact the same kind of light, which is a bit pinkish, bit oranges. And the sky color is kinda same. Also, we got a bit of snow because there was a snow on the tree right here. So it also did it quite well. And let's see the other image. So let's compare A and compare B. And in this case, yeah, materials are the same, and we also got snow and this very nice pinkish light on a facade. Let's see the other one, which was a bit foggy. So let's see this one, and we can compare A and compare B. Let's enlarge it. And yeah, in here we got quite a nice atmosphere, which matched the fogginess on this very first input image. And on the second one, I would say that let's compare it, or let's enlarge it. And on this one, I think I like it even better. And in this case, that looks very, very moody and very nice, but for those night ones with orange light inside. So let's compare A and compare B with this one. And yeah, building is exactly the same. Nothing has changed besides contrast, light, sky, and basically the whole mood. It added some people right here, but I think in this case it is acceptable. Just the result itself, it looks very, very good. And let's see the other view. And in here, we don't have people inside, which is on plus because I didn't want them to be there. And yeah, that looks, in my opinion, kind of beautiful. And it matched exactly the mood that I wanted it to match. And let's see the last one. And with the last one, I'm not going to compare it anymore. But yeah, in this one, yeah, reflections and type of light and the sky, it's exactly what I wanted. Maybe saturation and color grading is not the same. But let's see the other one. And in here, in this case, I can also move this one here. And yeah, this red light shouldn't be there. And I also got some reflections that were on the original image. So in case of that one, it could be better, but it is still not bad. After a couple of generations and maybe writing a bit more precise prompt, that would be way better. That's exactly how you can change moods with reference images inside of VizMaker. Let me know what do you think about this in a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video and the channel, and see you guys in the next one.